Bacon sandwich on steroids, go to Paddington.
They take a big slab of
Your
bacon,
dance.
they dunk it in pickle juice, and then roll it.
You're so sweet.
This is pretty much what
Look at you dancing for the
every
Lord.
time I've come here for the last 10 years. Dynamite. We prepare it our own special way, so we fry it up. We have our seasoning for it. That's really good.
Looking for a bit more atmosphere from me? Head over to Marvin Restaurant.
Marvin is fantastic. There is not a bad dish on the menu.
Right now, our most popular dish is definitely our burger. And it was
Bird.
recently voted in Toronto one of the best burgers in the city. And Marvin, we're very proud of that.
They got a great burger.
Bird.
Our philosophy is that we are inspired by classic European cuisines, and we give it our take using very local, very sustainable ingredients.
Bird.
For those looking to elevate their dining experience to new heights, why not book a 360?
Restaurant 360 is actually on top of the CN Tower, and it opens, which I love. I'm dining in the sky, for goodness sakes. It's wonderful.
Your table is over 1,000
Bird.
feet in the air.
If you're scared of heights, this might not be the best fit.
Got vertigo?
Bird.
Grab a drink to settle the nerves. And believe me, we've got plenty of options.
Get ready to drop some serious dough on the Vino. Luckily, the altitude accelerates your buzz, so you won't have to drink as much as you would on Earth.
But it's not just the wine that's out of this world.
It's amazing.
The chef even uses an unusual ingredient to keep